Bro, you just gonna whip on in like that?
The Commerce Department's posting a seasonally adjusted decline of 1.9%
crazy ass
compared to a month earlier in November.
So important to get to that red light, you stupid.
Pro tennis star Novak Djokovic.
Continue straight to stay on Plum Creek Parkway.
Arndor. A-R-N-D-E-R. Arndor. Kenneth Wayne Arndor is his name. He's 18 years old, we discover. He's wearing jeans, very much late 70s. He's wearing jeans and what's described as a shirt that I can never find out exactly what shirt he had, but they keep describing it as a humorous shirt, a humorous drug reference shirt. So he's got like a ass grass or gas fucking shirt on or something, like some kind of 70s, you know.
Or have a nice day with a smiley face with the eyes.
He's stoned and he's got like a joint hanging out.
What are you? Oh my God.
Oh, they just hit the car in front of them.
The doggy?
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
She said it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Available options are 1 to
kidding
250.
me?
Next track.
Are you
Track.
kidding?
List devices. You connect.
seconds, you see the Evite. And you see, it's like so outdated looking. If you go to Evite now, it's like, it looks like the old Evites of that day and age, if you will.
This is the scene where Michael is discovering the Evite, and he learns that Jim is having a barbecue in his house and he is not invited.
He's not invited. He sees the list of people who are invited, and he is sort of looking around. He's using his mouse, right?
Yeah.
And it all his...
Playground for the devil. I hear you having kids not doing anything.
Jesus Christ.
Time being here in New York, and it's really special.